Make $10,000 per month re-uploading YouTube videos working in 2020. Today, I'll teach you how and where to earn money by re-uploading YouTube videos without ever having to reveal your face or shooting any videos. Re-uploading YouTube videos for the purpose of profit in 2022 is actually fairly straightforward if you know how to do it properly. The only problem is that every single guru out there still preaches outdated methods. They claim that you may generate money on YouTube by simply copying and pasting videos. This is no longer valid, especially in the year 2022. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about how you can make $10,000 per month re-uploading YouTube videos. Let's see what we have for you to make massive amounts of profit with low investment. If you want to find out more about it, then stay with us until the end of this video. Also, before we start the video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon for more amazing videos. And let's get started. You can't look forward to creating money on YouTube by just re-uploading someone else's video, unless you add significant value to it. So because videos that they re-upload have little value, YouTube doesn't really monetize them. They merely download and re-upload videos, adding no value or effort to the process. YouTube doesn't care for it, but I'll show you what they do and how you can make money with my way. This procedure is efficient and won't take too much of your time. Let's get this celebration started, shall we? Choose a lucrative niche. First and foremost, we must select a profitable niche. You'd like to make some material for your channel. Now, the reason we need to choose a successful niche with a high CPM is that your revenue is determined by the niche you'll be in. What you must realize is that if you choose a low-paying topic, you will have a difficult time making money from ads. For example, if you just post videos with low-income visitors, the money you get from Google AdSense will be significantly reduced. In 2022, you'll make less money on YouTube since advertisers will pay you less if your visitors don't buy anything. You want to pick a niche that has a high CPM, which means that you start monetizing the channel and re-uploading videos from YouTube and other websites. You'll get paid a respectable amount each month. So what would be an example of a successful niche in which we may start re-uploading movies on YouTube and making money in 2022? I recently published a post analyzing the most profitable YouTube themes for 2022. But for the time being, I'll use the healthcare industry as an example. The luxury niche will be one of the highest earning niches on YouTube because movies about luxury typically incorporate expensive items such as sports cars, homes, and stunning watches. One of our YouTube's most lucrative niches is luxury, and the people who view the videos are typically wealthy or able to purchase the things. Wealthy people are more likely to buy the things being offered because they are watching such videos. It's also being advertised to people who are more likely to purchase items that will help them become wealthy. Overall, this is a high CPM niche, where re-uploading videos on YouTube is a good idea. So where do we begin when it comes to re-uploading videos? What is the new plan? Let's take a look at this sample channel, which is called 9 Figure Life. For the past 2 years, this channel has indeed been re-uploading videos. Now locate re-uploadable content. Let's speak about how to find things to re-upload. Now, if you want to find stuff to upload, you have to look at 3 key sources. YouTube, Storyblocks, and Pixels are key content sources. First, we'll take a look at YouTube. When it comes to YouTube clips, you can use as much as you like as long as you credit the source and use the YouTube video responsibly. The majority of people believe you can't use YouTube footage from other channels. This is completely false. Several YouTube channels make use of videos from other channels. All you have to do is make sure the footage you're using is not of a channel where copyright infringement are rampant. We haven't seen any channels get canceled or have any copyright violated because they use material from a variety of sources in the premium sector. So when it comes to YouTube, I'll choose videos from some of the many premium brands with which I'm familiar. One of the first premium brands I became aware of is Bentley. Bentley is today seen as the ultimate prestige symbol, as it is usually driven by the wealthy, famous, and influential. Where can I find Bentley automobile footage for my video? It's not at all difficult. I'm going to look for the official Bentley YouTube channel. I'm using the official Rolls-Royce channel because it's where I'll discover the best clips of actual Rolls-Royce cars. You can expect high-quality footage of the cars, as well as videos that are subsequently higher quality than the ordinary stuff, because this is the official company's channel. As a result, we'll be able to download some of the footage and incorporate them into our luxury lifestyle movie. And you want to make absolutely sure that your viewers are entertained at all times while watching your movie. If you want to keep your viewers captivated, you should incorporate a range of themes in your videos. So the Lamborghini YouTube account will be the source of the following video. Also, be certain that the videos you're downloading is of high quality. For instance, if you notice text on the screen in various parts of the movie, you should cut off those sections. This is because having words on the screen in a rich lifestyle film will look odd. In an ideal world, you'll gather material from a range of outlets that all share the same cinematic aesthetic. When you combine them, it seems very professional, but people are more likely to subscribe and your video will go viral. Create a video. Now that we have all these clips uploaded, all we must do is put them together into a video. As a result, we will use invideo.com, which is a free video producer with a simple interface. After you've created your free account, the first thing you'll want to do is choose a video format, which you may do in 3 ways: wide, square, or vertical. The next step is to select a video theme. So, for example, if I key in luxury, I'll receive a slew of various layouts tailored to my niche. Then, all we have to do is upload your collected clips and edit them slightly to make the movie stand out. Text can be added to the screen. We'll type in billionaire lifestyle and alter the font to something fun. After that, we can just keep adding clips to the timeline. We would only need to add more segments if we were to make a complete video. We can accomplish it by going to the left-hand side and clicking the video tab. And all we have to do is type the term luxury into the search field, and we'll be presented with a variety of films. We can simply add these clips whenever you wish, which will be much faster than downloading multiple videos. We'll go on to the audio after that. Unlike other platforms where you have to go to an external website to download music, InVideo already has it. All you have to do is to click on the music option on the bottom left, and we'll be able to choose from a range of different music tracks. You should add voiceover to your YouTube channel if you want to greatly improve its monetization. If a YouTube channel just publishes compilation videos, it has a slim probability of being monetized. However, if you make videos with narration, even if the content in the video isn't yours, your chances of getting YouTube channel monetized improve dramatically, and your YouTube channel will almost certainly be monetized. Fortunately, you can do so with InVideo as well. You may easily upload your voiceover or use text-to-speech software. You should add voiceover to your YouTube channel if you want to greatly improve its monetization. If a YouTube channel just publishes compilation videos, it has a slim probability of being monetized. However, if you make videos with narration, even if the content in your video isn't yours, your chances of getting your YouTube channel monetized improve dramatically, and your YouTube channel will almost certainly be monetized. And this is it for today, guys. What are your thoughts on today's video? Share with us in the comments below. Also, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss any of the latest updates. And thank you for watching.